Hi guys and welcome to Horologique. Welcome to the unboxing of the Saint Martin 62 Mass HOMAGE V4. And if you've been following other channels, you know that this one has been very well reviewed. So I'm kind of impatient to see what is inside this box. And of course this watch, as so many others, come courtesy of Dennis, a very good friend of the channel. So let's get right into it. Alright, we get to the outer box, and as you can see they have added a spring removal tool and a little tool to remove the pins of the bracelet. Too bad this bracelet does not have screw-on links, it just has pins, but at least they have given you the tool to remove them. Okay, let's take a look at what's in the box. Alright, so as you can see, they have wrapped it up very well in bubble paper, so that is pretty reassuring. And they almost always give you these NATO bracelets, which are very high quality, I might add. They are very nice, and I will not be opening this one as it's Dennis's. As usual, you get a set of spring bars and you get the warranty. You get an instruction manual and everything that you need. Let's get to the interesting stuff. Let's get to the watch. All right. Wow, already I am liking it. Wow, very nice. I like that sunburst. Okay, let me peel all this plastic and I'll get back to you. Okay, let me add again. This looks really nice. Very refined, very nice sunburst dial. Really nice indices. Of course, these indices, you like them or you don't. Let's see how the bezel rotates. This should be 120 clicks. That is very firm. Absolutely no back play. Some front play, but that is totally normal. No back play at all. Wow. That is very crisp and precise. I wouldn't say it's absolutely refined. It is not totally refined, but it is very good and it lines up perfectly. Let's see, a point where Seiko fails a lot is in the alignment of those chapter rings. Let's see if they're aligned here. And to the naked eye, they look to be perfectly aligned, which is reassuring. You've got that Saint Martin hexagon logo, but here it somehow looks better than on other watches that I have reviewed. And you've got some things that I love. You've got that beautiful signed clasp with that shark. On the back, you've got that same shark right there, showing his nice teeth, grinning for all of us. Beautifully engraved. And the bracelet looks very nice as well. Fully polished, 3-link, kind of a 2-link bracelet. It is pretty weird to say. I will take a closer look in the full review. And you've got that big clasp from the V3, from the sub V3, which is very nice. I like it very much because it is pretty refined. You've got all the chamfering on the sides. And it's very secure with that double security and that double push pin. So very nice, all solid. The outer shell looks to be, at least to my eye, it looks pretty solid. And you've got 6 levels of micro adjustment, which is wonderful. This clasp, guys, is all you need might be a bit thick, but for me it is really secure. Okay, let's take a look at dimensions. So this is a 40.9, so we can say a 41. In height it's a 13.9, 14, and that is due to that domed sapphire crystal, so that is very nice. You've got sapphire in there. On lug to lug you have a 50 millimeters. Yeah, that is quite a big boy on lug to lug. We'll see how that fits on wrist. Yeah, it kind of curves down, but maybe not as much as I would like. We will see how that fits on my small wrist. Let's see that measure from end link to end link. And you've got male end links here. And from end link to end link, you've got a 53.6. And the bracelet tapers from 20 to 17.8. Let's take 18 as a measure, and it goes up to 21 at the clasp. All right, this feels quite heavy to me, but let's see how much it weighs right away. Sorry for that noise. That is 184 grams. That is testing positive for sapphire, as you can see there. So already I am pretty impressed with this watch. That dial, I mean, I haven't seen pretty much at anything else than that dial. It looks amazing. That sunburst, that charcoal color is very well made, and somehow the pictures don't do it justice, which is strange. Usually the pictures outsell the watch, but in this occasion, what might be a bit of a little small eyesore might be that pip. It's a bit big compared to the smaller pips, and as it's loomed, it is green right next to the very white stark pips. It might stand out. The brushing seems pretty good, circular brushing in there, and it seems pretty good. Okay, the bracelet is good. Too bad it's not screw down. Already many things to like about this watch, and some small defects here and there that should be talked about anyway. But okay, that's been it for these unboxing and first impressions. Stay tuned for the full review that is coming pretty soon. Thank you very much. Don't forget that we have the 3K subscriber giveaway, where I'm giving away the Pagani design Royal Oak Homage. If you want that watch, make sure to let me know on that video. I'm gonna put a link at the end of this video. Thank you again very much, and I'll be seeing you really soon. Goodbye.